Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to add or delete rows and columns in tables in ClickUp. By the end of this video, you'll know the ins and outs of customizing your table views so you can organize your tasks and data in ClickUp just the way you want. Whether you're managing projects solo or collaborating with a team, mastering these simple table tricks will help you work faster and smarter. Let's jump right in. So pictured here is the table view, which is like a spreadsheet built right into ClickUp. You'll notice that some columns are there by default, things like name, status, due date, and priority. And here's something important to remember. These default columns are sort of baked into the table's structure. ClickUp doesn't let you delete them outright since they're core fields linked to your tasks. But let's say you want a cleaner workspace, or maybe these columns aren't relevant to your workflow. What you can do is hide them. Just look for the columns drop-down menu and choose Hide. This clears up your view without permanently deleting anything, so you can always bring them back if you change your mind later. Now suppose you want to customize your table even more by adding a brand new column. Maybe you want to track something unique, like client name or budget. For that, just look for the plus sign at the end of your columns, usually a small round button with a plus. Go ahead and click that, and you'll get a little menu to select the field you want to add. ClickUp gives you lots of choices. Text, numbers, dates, or even custom dropdowns. Simply pick the type you need and your new column appears immediately. This is perfect for tailoring your table to fit the way you work. If you add a column and later decide it's not needed, deleting it is super straightforward but also crucial to keep your workspace tidy. Here, just right-click on the header of the column you want to remove. This is the top cell where the column's name sits. Once you right-click, look down to the menu that pops up. Near the bottom, you'll see a delete option. Click that and the column is gone. A quick tip: double-check that you're deleting the right field, especially if you've entered important data there. Once deleted, you can't recover that column's contents. Next up, let's talk about adding and deleting rows, which is basically how you add or remove tasks or entries in your table. To add a row, it's as easy as clicking the plus sign at the very bottom of your table. You'll usually see a blank spot that says Add Row. Click that, just type in the name for your new item and hit Enter. That's it, you've created a new task. For example, maybe you're tracking a new project or adding a fresh to-do item for the week. To delete a row, you'll want to be a little careful, since rows usually represent tasks you might not want to lose. Just hover your cursor over to the far left of the row. You'll see a number or an indicator showing you which row it is. When you hover there, a small checkbox appears. Click that to select the row and then look down at the menu bar that appears below your table. There's a trash icon waiting for you. Click on it, and the row will be sent to the trash. If you accidentally delete a row, ClickUp typically gives you a chance to undo it, so no stress if you make a mistake. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly organize, customize, and tidy up your tables in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your tips for using tables in ClickUp, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.